What's up guys, it's Kevin Pack here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon business owner, and on this channel, we like to talk about money and entrepreneurship. All right, so I do a lot of coaching calls, and most of those calls consist of basically product research and validating potential products that people want to source. And it's my job to figure out if they should source that product and if it's really good or not. In my time of doing this, man, I be seeing some wild ideas, bro. I don't mean that in a good way either. People be coming up to me and wanting to source forks and knives. Come on, man, get me out of here, bro. So in this video, we're gonna be going over some Amazon tips to help you guys find the right kinds of products and 3 types of products that you should be looking out for. Now, before we begin, I'm gonna show you guys my current Amazon business so you guys know I am a current Amazon seller. I'm in the trenches with you, and I'm in this business and I teach exactly what I do. All right, so that's my account right there. We're gonna refresh. Boom, right there. 7 units sold so far this morning. It's a little bit of a slow morning, but $31,000 in the past 30 days. Pretty happy with that. It's been a pretty good month. Now, if you're interested in learning your own Amazon business and learning directly from me, I do have my own course and also a free Facebook page that you guys can join. I know, all that basic stuff, but let's get on to the video. Now, it goes without saying that when we look for a product, we want to make sure that it does have high demand and also have low competition or low reviews. But one of my older videos, we talked about products that you should avoid, such as electronics or topical items. But what are the products that we should actually pursue and keep an eye on? The first kind of product you want to look for are unique products. Nothing common that you can typically find or that you already know kind of exist. You want to find those more unique, random products. Things like jade rollers or ultrasonic animal repellers. These are things that weren't really common. They don't really come to the head. Not the first thing you think about. Like, it's not very common and you don't know that it really exists until you actually see it. Now, of course, these products are very competitive now, very saturated. But back then, a couple years ago, they were actually good products to try out. But the whole point is these products are more random, more unique, and they're not as simple as just freaking plates and forks and knives. The next kind of products are simple products, nothing overly complicated. You don't want something that's too simple like forks and knives again, but you don't want something super complicated like a Wi-Fi camera security system like that. You want to have products with low liability, low return rates, and also low customer service maintenance. Products like a rope hanging shelf are good products to go for because they're super simple, easy to use, but they're also unique in its own way as well. The last kind of products to look out for are products that you can easily differentiate or add value to. Think about it, it's really hard to make a set of forks and knives better. Like, how do you really differentiate that? I mean, obviously we have this common theme of forks and knives, but really think about it. Really? How you gonna make a fork better, bro? We wanna find products that we can easily differentiate by either filling a hole in the market, changing the design, adding an item to bundle with, things like that. These are things that add value to the product and make the customer more likely to buy your product. Differentiation is key, and if you find a product that has great numbers, but there's no way to differentiate it, you might as well skip out on the product, because eventually you might go in with the same exact product and then everyone else is going to go with the same exact product, or someone else is going to come up with a better idea maybe, and that market is just going to be saturated and you're going to be wiped out. You gave yourself no reason to stand out, and so because of that, product's not going to win. That happened to me personally with letterboards, and well, needless to say, I got my ass whooped. So those are the 3 kinds of products you guys should look out for. But the thing is, with product research, it's not just about looking for a great product, but it's getting good at filtering all the bad ones, because there's a lot more bad products to do than there are good. So the faster you can just filter through all those bad ones, the sooner you can get through a good one and find that. Okay guys, so I hope this video was very, very helpful. I hope it gave you some insight. If you guys liked this video, like it, subscribe for more content. Of course, go get that money, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.